Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use AZInsight Advanced, a powerful Google Chrome extension that helps you analyze and source products from Amazon. AZInsight Advanced is like RevSeller on steroids, and it has some amazing features that will save you time and money. So if you're interested in learning more about this tool, make sure to watch this video till the end. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to install AZInsight Advanced on your Google Chrome browser. You can find the link in the description below. Once you install it, you will see a small box on every Amazon listing page that you open. Click on it and enter your login details. This is where you can access all the features of AZInsight Advanced. The first feature I want to show you is how to search Amazon for similar or related products by highlighting the title of a product on a source store. For example, let's say I'm on Walmart.com and I see this product, Lego Classic Creative Fun. I want to see if I can sell this product on Amazon for a profit. So I highlight the title of the product, right-click, and select AZInsight Advanced Search. This will open a new tab with the Amazon search results for this product. This way, you can quickly compare the products and find the best one to sell. The second feature I want to show you is how to search Google for the product title to find more source stores or information. Sometimes you may want to check other websites or sources for the same product to see if you can get a better deal or learn more about the product. To do this, you can click on the Google title search on the AZInsight Advanced box. This will open a new tab with the Google search results for the product title. You can see the different websites that sell the same product or the different articles or videos that talk about the product. This way, you can do more research and find the best source for your product. The third feature I want to show you is how to access the buy box winners and offers of a product and visit their storefronts. Sometimes you may want to see who is selling the same product on Amazon and how they are pricing their products. To do this, you can click on the historical data and then on the buy box statistics link on the AZInsight Advanced box. This will open a new tab with the Amazon offers page for the product. This way, you can learn from your competitors and see what they are doing right or wrong. So, these are some of the features of AZInsight Advanced that we wanted to share with you today. If you want to try our tool for yourself, you can use the special 30-day free trial. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.